Manufacturing in-house helps with time to market, and it also helps to design better product for the customers faster. They want to focus on their application, and they are looking for someone who will take care of all that engineering and manufacturing capability so that they can get everything from one source and all these pieces are integrated and work well together.
We have very fast turnaround times from our initial design to prototyping to manufacturing. We turn things over very quickly, which is a lot faster than design in-house, but then you outsourced any of your prototyping or your production.
In other companies where design and manufacturing is separated, the design engineers don't have that direct feedback. They might pick a component that is very hard to assemble, that leads to a higher failure rate, then you need more testing, and it also increases the cost. So for us, we have integrated manufacturing. Our design typically is better suited for manufacturing, and that helps with the cost.
Our team is very creative in their approach to problem solving, and they have this attitude of, yeah, we can do that, even if we've never done it before. And then they go away and do all kinds of research, do trial and errors, and they're able to come up with the right solution.
So we actually, in our group, focus on the hardware and manufacturing. But that's only part of the product that you need. You also need operating system, security features, and you need remote updates, you need remote monitoring. So together with our hardware and manufacturing, together with Torizon, it kind of comes together as a complete package of everything that you need to get your product out and be able to support it long term in the field.